If you crave adrenaline and monster wheels, you can't miss today's picks, the best RC monster trucks from AliExpress that deliver epic action without breaking the bank. The Wiltoys S140 RC monster truck quickly makes an impression with its rugged look and compact build. Picking it up, you can feel that it's designed for both new and experienced RC drivers who want big excitement in a smaller package. Its all-terrain tires and sturdy suspension immediately stand out, promising serious fun across grass, gravel, or pavement. The S140 handles like a dream. Responsive steering and quick bursts of speed keep things lively. The proportional throttle gives a nice sense of control, making it easy to perform sharp turns and little jumps without worrying about flipping. Have you ever wished for a truck that can take a beating and still come back for more? This one's up for the challenge. The XMSJ S911 Pro RC monster truck is engineered for those who want to push their RC experience to the limit. Right out of the box, its bold design and high ground clearance grabbed my attention, hinting at its off-road capabilities. This monster tears through sand, dirt, and grass with ease. The motor packs enough punch to tackle rougher terrain and even climb small obstacles. The suspension does a great job of absorbing shocks, so you can go full throttle without holding back. Ever dreamed of doing donuts or quick spins in your neighborhood park? The S911 Pro makes it almost too easy. If you're searching for a blend of speed and style, the Baowen SCY 1601 Pro RC monster truck is a standout. Its vibrant colors and aggressive stance caught my eye before I even powered it up, making it an attention grabber anywhere you drive. I tested its power on varied surfaces, and it delivered smooth, controlled rides thanks to the advanced shock absorbers and grippy tires. The acceleration is punchy. It's easy to let loose and zip over curbs or small jumps, feeling every bounce without losing traction. Have you wondered how much excitement a well-made RC truck can bring on a Saturday afternoon? The answer's found right here. When it comes to accessibility and all-around performance, the Wiltoys 144 RC monster truck really impressed me. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, functional design that looks ready to rip across any terrain. During my tests, I was surprised by how agile and stable it was. The truck takes sharp turns with confidence, and its lightweight body handles obstacles better than I imagined. Are you looking for a truck that masters both speed and control, giving you the best of both worlds? The Wiltoys 144 fits that bill perfectly. The Wiltoys 390 RC monster truck brings a beefy design and serious build quality that's hard to ignore. Straight from the packaging, it's clear that this model means business, offering a substantial feel that inspired confidence as soon as I fired it up. It powers across bumpy ground, grass, and even gravel without missing a beat. The large wheels and robust suspension system keep the truck stable even at higher speeds, and you'll love how the truck handles tight corners. Ever wanted a vehicle that's as fun to drive as it is to watch in motion? The Wiltoys 390 delivers in spades. One thing to note, it's a little heavier, which provides stability but makes it less nimble for performing aerial tricks. The high-boxing 2105A RC monster truck is all about pushing performance while keeping things accessible and fun. The striking bodywork and tough frame are the first things you'll notice, promising endurance for any bumpy adventure you've planned. Behind the wheel, the truck is a blast, responsive, with snappy acceleration that can surprise even experienced drivers. The grip from the tires means you can handle wet grass, loose dirt, and uneven trails with confidence. Ever wanted an RC truck that makes every drive feel new and exhilarating? This one hits that sweet spot. The remote is easy to use, but more advanced drivers might want finer control settings for tweaking performance. It's a tiny trade-off for the sheer joy this truck brings. The Wiltoys S196 RC monster truck stands out with an impressive blend of muscle and finesse. Its robust chassis and eye-catching graphics caught my attention immediately. You'll feel like you're holding a real miniature beast designed for wild fun. On the road or off it, the S196 shines. The truck manages speed with stability, and the four-wheel drive kicks in to help you dominate challenging surfaces with ease. Have you ever wanted to conquer every inch of your backyard or local park? This truck makes it possible and makes it memorable. It's a tad pricier than some other options, but the build quality and performance definitely justify it. Plus, you'll appreciate the longer runtime compared to some smaller models.